This is Radio Kuwait. It is now almost midnight in the state of Kuwait. That's 2100 hours GMT. And it is now time to close down our English language transmission. We shall be resuming our transmission tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Kuwait local time. That's all 500 hours GMT. On 963 kHz on the medium wave for our listeners in the state of Kuwait and the Arabian Gulf area. At the same time, we shall also be resuming our transmission on 93.3 MHz on the FM band for our local listeners. As for our listeners in Europe and North America, we shall meet tomorrow evening at 9 p.m. Kuwait local time, that's 1800 hours GMT, on 540 kHz on the 25-meter band on the short wave.
منتصف الليل في الكويت.